Hey friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So today we are going to make a heat transfer t-shirt and we are going to do a logo, my husband's favorite toy. I haven't been able to find a shirt for him, so I'm going to make it. And I'm going to show you how I got the logo and made the shirt. Now again, this is for personal use, so if you are selling your items, remember to always be careful of copyright laws, okay? Now, if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. And thank you so much to all my subby friends. I appreciate you all so very much. All right, I'm going to show you how I made it. Bye. All right, so my husband, this is his favorite toy. He has a AR-15. He likes to go to the range, shoot it. This is his favorite toy. So he wanted a shirt with this logo on it. I haven't been able to find one. So I'm going to make him one for Father's Day. So now, if you are selling things, you can't sell something that has a trademark or a copyright. Now, if you're making this for personal use, that's different. So this is going to be for personal use, but again, you have to be careful of copyright infringement. However, I personally think they should be happy because it's great advertisement for them. But anyways, just so you know, okay, so what I did was I went to Google, I found a picture, I took a screenshot of it, okay? So now I'm going to go into Cricut. Design Space is going to have scheduled maintenance. Maybe my shapes will come back up and work. I haven't been able to find an update that I'm missing, and look, I can't get any shapes. It's the craziest thing. And to be perfectly honest, sorry, I haven't had time to really investigate it. But maybe after the maintenance, it'll be fine. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to upload. I'm going to go to my photo library and I'm going to take out this. Oh, see my little munchkin. Oop. I just brought my munchkin up. Yes, he's so cute. Okay, so I'm going to go photo library and I'm going to bring up this picture that I want. And that's it. So now, when you're looking at this, so this is your picture. Now, this is what you have at the moment on your canvas. Okay, is actually this square right here. So we're going to go in and, we're just going to remove the dead space out of there. This is a very easy one to do. And now you see up there in the corner, there's a little something. I could just move this over since I'm on an iPad. Now I'm going to go to erase and I'm just going to go in and clean that up. All right, so now this is what I have. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to go to next. I don't need to refine anything, so I'm going to save it. It's perfect. And I'm saving it as a cut image. And so there we go. So now I'm going to put that, I'm going to insert it. Now, my husband's shirt is an extra large, so I want it to be about 9.5. 10 at the most, so and I'm going to go about 3.5 inches from the collar. All right, so there we go. We're going to make it. All right, so I'm going to pull out my vinyl and my mat, and I'll put it on, well, let me just show you the whole thing in case you don't. Okay, so this vinyl that I'm going to use, it's everyday vinyl, and it is one of my favorites. It is a Cricut vinyl, and I use it often. The reason why I use it so much is because it's my favorite. So, when it goes on, it looks so good. It honestly looks like it's imprinted. So I really love it. Now, okay, this tool right here, I will tell you, I didn't buy this tool for the longest time, and I regret it. It is such a good tool. It's beautiful, amazing. It has saved me so much. It really helps your stuff to stick. Now, you can see my corner doesn't stick here very well, and that is because my mat is filthy. It needs to be cleaned. So, if your mats are dirty like this, before you go and buy another mat, take them, wash them with Dawn dish soap, and let it air dry. And I promise you, it will be back to sticky in no time. I need to do this with this one. And I have a ton of mats. I just, I don't open another one until one's destroyed, and I've got a ton that haven't even been opened. Okay, so this is very important. I have a graveyard of ones that I have messed up. So when you are doing a heat transfer, mirror it on. Now, shiny side down. Okay, so now I'm going to continue. And let's go to all materials. I am sorry, my husband is out there building something like he's always doing, so I'm sorry that you guys are hearing this. So I haven't saved a lot yet in my maker, which I should. I have all my favorites saved in my air, which I'm actually going to give the air to my husband. My husband wants the air. So we're going to take it in his room and set it up, and I'm going to let him start making himself some decals and stuff. We'll see how that goes. I think it'll go well because he uses a CNC machine. All right, so I went to Everyday Iron On, and I also started so it'll come up in my favorites. Okay. There we go. All right. So my arrow is blinking. It's ready. So I'm going to go underneath these little tabs here and make sure that you hold your mat kind of taut when you're sticking it in. You can see I just sort of like squunched that side piece in because, it wasn't sticking great. But you want to hold it taut because you want it to get a good grip of your mat. And now my C's blinking. I'm going to hit that. And then while that's printing, I am going to grab a t-shirt and turn on my Easy Press. Excuse me, Chloe, baby doll. Sweetheart, I'm sorry about that. Oh, Chloe, Mommy's sorry. I'm getting in your way, aren't I? All right. So we are complete. We're going to hit OK. I'm going to pull that out, and I just want to see. Okay, so you are really only seeing that. Let's bring this. Chloe, excuse me, sweetheart. Sorry, baby. All right. All right, so I'm going to just cut off my extra. I do not like to waste vinyl. Vinyl is precious to me, so I like to cut things as much as possible. I've got my easy press on. All right, and so here is I'm sorry, I have the phone turned to where like I don't see the picture just because I feel like it films better. So I do apologize. I think that maybe you guys couldn't see the buttons going on, but this is the arrow that tells you to shove it in, and then your C tells you it's ready to go. All right, so let's see. I believe that this one comes out. All right, look at that. There we go. Perfect. All right, so so funny. My dog is like, she probably gets so mad at me because it's like she tries to get out of the way and then I move to where she went. She's the sweetest thing though. All right, so for me, I know that everybody's a little bit different how they like to do this. I'm going to, this is an extra large, but it is huge. I feel like it's a humongous extra large. All right, so I like to take my shirt and just fold it in half. And then, you know, again, if this was my business, I would, you know, I'm sure use t-shirt guides and all of that good stuff, but it's not and I don't. So, all right. So I'm gonna just give myself a nice crease so that I know my center. Sorry, you know, I have everything sort of not together right now because of going to be, you know, changing up and adding some shelving and stuff. So the transition of my irons and everything is just out of whack. That's actually, I think, what Scott might be out there working on, because my furniture came today. He might be out there putting it all together. Pull this down. And I'm going to do about 3.5 inches from the top. And then, so what I do is I take it and I just fold it in half. And then I line this one, that folds up with that fold. Make sure it's not crooked. All right, and put this down. We'll press for 30 seconds. Now this is just steady pressure, not moving it around. All right. And voila, there we go. There's our t-shirt, and that will make him happy. And let's see, we are at 17 minutes and 15 seconds, because I'll cut out any dead space that I find in it. I know nobody wants to watch that. So not bad. You know, 17 minutes. All right. You guys have a blessed and beautiful rest of the day, and I'll see you later. Thanks. Bye.